what's up, guys? And today I will be coming back at you with some more turbo dismount. And if you saw in my last video, I tried to do some cool stunts. Well, there's still a whole lot of levels that I still have to buy, but yeah, well, forget it for now. And yeah, I just did a lot of crazy stunts. I try to beat my scores, all that stuff. And in this video, we're gonna do mod chase, which is probably my favorite one. It's just so epic, and I love it using a lead Doreen. I also love it, and I also like using the Ricky Tick. Just so you know, just to get some speed. And we're making a sharp turn. Turn now. Yeah. It's always gonna be these vehicles where they're like good turning, just like this one. Okay, no, I didn't. No. Holy smokes! Did you see that? That police like literally tackled me from the side. Holy smokes! That driver's just reckless. The police is just reckless these days. Wait, is anybody else coming? Okay. So yeah. Let me see. Oh yeah. Okay, there we go. Turn dismount complete. Yeah, and we're gonna watch the in slow motion because they're just so awesome. Okay, wait. Speed up just a little bit. Okay. Okay, here we go. So where does that police car come from? So we go here. Boom. Then we go here. He pushes us. And oh, and there we go. That's how that car tackled me. I guess it kind of counts as a tackle me. I don't know, but that was funny. And I hope my character's okay. He's gonna have to go to the hospital and pay some serious bills. Well, I sure know I'm not paying it. Okay. And let's go for the Ricky Tick. One wheel with good steering. Okay. Come on, turn. Okay, turn again. You cops, you can't catch me. I'm too fast. You just can't catch me. Cause I'm not... Wait. Holy smokes, I'm still going. Now I'm not going. Okay. Okay, so my high score is... Wow, that's pretty high. Let's try some other vehicles. Let's like try the tumbler. The tumbler is terrible. Like, it's just not the vehicle you want to use. Just for this is an example of it. Okay, wait. Turn. Awesome. I think he's doing a little dancing on it. I don't know. How did the cops haven't found me? Yeah, let's try to come over again because that was just funny. Did you guys agree with me? That was just funny. Okay. Come on, keep going. Oh, holy smokes! Holy smokes! The cops just had to make it worse. That was crazy. It was like ballet. Okay, let's go again, and let's make a sharp turn. Turn now. Holy smokes! Wait, okay, come on. Holy smokes! The tumbler is crazy. Okay, let's try it one more time with the. Maybe I'm gonna do a different level, okay? Okay, so let's go for a different lap this time. Holy smokes! Ooh! Well, I hear that thing kind of flying. Wait, how do you get back there? Man. The police are convicting of crime themselves by using less than heavy roughness. Wait, no, that's not football. No, wait, the correct word is called police brutality. Okay. Let's go for. I know. Let's go for merry-go-rounds. And I know the perfect eco to use. Let's see. No, wait. Okay, there we go. So we got to time it right, and the best thing that you do is use the squealer. And this is gonna seem pretty funny, so just watch. Cool. Okay, so keep watching. I throw people off, and people keep crashing. That's just how it goes. And I'm trying to crash everybody. I think that's the name of the game, is it? What just... Wait, still going. I could have just went flying. Come on. I need to crash that truck. I need to crash it. I need to crash it. Yes. Holy smokes. And again, this game is kind of laggy, but who cares? Let's try some other vehicles. Let's try the quad fin fighter, which is awesome. I'm sure this guy can do good. Okay. Well, but it's very weak. It's fast when it goes on a speed boost, but it's very weak. Let's try it again. Okay, come on, you gotta make it. I know you can do it. I know you can do it. And you can't do it. You just can't win. Wait, he's still going. Look, he's still going. He's still going. And my car just fell in the background. Okay. Let's try a different vehicle. Like, I know, the comrade. And what does the comrade mean? I have no idea what it means. Okay. Here we go. Shouldn't there be a seatbelt or something for this kind of stuff? Okay. Wow. When the cars keep trying to run into me, but it's just not working. I'm just a beast. Yeah, a beast tractor. And there he goes. He's off to a new destiny. Okay. I guess he's not off to a new destiny. He's off to death. Yeah, this is a really fun game. Okay, let's try something different, like the big air combo. Okay, let's see what this guy can do with one booster, one speed, one another there. We should be good. Okay, we're gonna go down for real. Okay, come on, hang in there. Oh no. Oh no, we at least tried to land it. Yes, we landed. Oh wait, did we do it? Yes, we actually landed it. That was awesome. Now I gotta turn it around. Okay, there we go. That was just awesome right there. I know. Let's try. I know. Let's use the quad fin fighter. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah. Okay, turn. Turn. Okay. Oh no. It kind of maneuvers a little weird. But who cares? Okay, let's turn this way. Okay. Yeah, let's see this thing will fly. Can it fly? No, but it can't crash. Imagine if there was a mod. Imagine if this thing even had mods where you can, and that'd be cool. And if there was one that you can fly, that'd be awesome. Okay, we're going slowly, ever so slowly, and here we're going down for real. Yeah. Oh, you guys. Oh yeah, and there's something I gotta tell you guys. I got some exciting news, but sadly, it's not gonna be caught on video. I'm going on a kind of like a vacation, but more like a staycation because we're going to like a hotel. It's called Scottsdale, Arizona Scottsdale Hyatt Hotel or something like that. Well, of course, I've seen pictures, videos. It's awesome, and me and my mom are leaving tomorrow, and yeah, it's about 20 minutes away. Well, of course, I'm not determining where I live in Arizona because that's just not right. But okay. Yeah. And I'm not going to do a video because it's just because I don't want to use my tablet and my phone on it to 30 to the time limit. And only to change that is by, and that is just by, and that is by getting some more, like, data on it. But, yeah, it's a little complicated, but. Yeah, listen, I'm gonna take pictures, and yeah, in my next video, I'll show you guys. I'll go through them all, and yeah, so you guys can see my adventure. Okay, and let's go and try one more track, and yeah, let's see. Let's do the figure scrapping for the finale. Okay. Better watch out because here I come. Cool. Look at I'm actually writing on the wall. That was cool. I'm actually writing on the wall. Okay. Let's see if I can do the wall writing again. Wait, if I can control myself. Okay. Could have done wall writing again. I was just out wall writing again. And that was cool. I was wall writing again. I'm gonna go for a third time overall wall writing. Oops, that didn't work. Wait, but there's a barrier. How did my how did the wheel get through like that? Man, I keep forgetting about that. Like, edge. Yeah. I gotta remember that. Okay. Can I still go? No, I don't want to go in the tunnel. Okay, third time's a charm, I think. Let's try out, or fourth time charm. Okay, let's try again. Okay. Oh man. Well, at least we tried, but yeah. Okay, guys. Now okay. Yeah. Wait, what am I saying? I know. Just one last go, and I'll end the video. Okay. Okay, let's try to hit this guy. Oh, I actually. Come on, he's trying to push me. Is he slowing down? Yes. Oh no. Come on. I stopped it until that other snow plower came. But okay. Okay, guys. Yeah. Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna end the video and I'll see you guys later. Bye.